Okay, the next question is, tell me about a time when you received difficult feedback. How did you handle it and what did you learn? Here's a good answer. I was working on a high visibility project where I was responsible for implementing a key feature that would impact the entire user interface. I put a lot of thought into the design and functionality, and I was quite excited about it. However, during a code review, my manager and a senior engineer both provided critical feedback, suggesting that parts of my implementation didn't align with our performance standards and were causing an unexpected delay in load time. At first, I was a bit surprised by the extent of the feedback since I had tested everything locally and hadn't anticipated any issues. However, I knew that they had a point, so I took a moment to set aside my initial defensiveness and really listen to their specific concerns. I asked them for specific examples of areas that needed improvement and how they might approach the problem differently. This led to a productive discussion where I learned some new techniques for profiling code performance and strategies for optimizing UI rendering. I implemented their suggestions, and actually we saw a measurable improvement in load times. Reflecting on this experience, I learned that feedback, especially when it's difficult, often provides a chance to learn and grow. It taught me to approach challenges with a mindset of curiosity rather than defensiveness and showed me the value of seeking guidance from more experienced team members. Since then, I've become more proactive about seeking feedback early in the development process to ensure I'm aligning with best practices right from the start. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Receptiveness to feedback. We value engineers who can take feedback in stride and use it constructively. 2. Proactive learning and curiosity. Showing that you sought to learn from your team demonstrates growth mindset. 3. Collaboration. By actively asking for input and working through the issues together, you show a collaborative spirit. 4. Commitment to quality. Highlighting how you improved your work aligns well with companies' focus on impact and results. What you should avoid saying. 1. Blaming others. Don't imply that the feedback was unfair or that someone else was responsible for the problem. 2. Downplaying the feedback. Avoid minimizing the impact of the feedback. We want to see humility and a willingness to grow. 3. Showing a lack of growth. Avoid suggesting that you didn't make any changes after the feedback or didn't learn from the experience. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsy8.com.